Hey everyone, as you can see on my table is a Dewalt 5 amp battery, and it's only one of the three chargers, but the charger shows it's fully charged, so we will open it. Okay, everything seems normal, it still shows one. Getting to the DC, 16.38 volts. Okay, what we have here, 4.1, 4 and 4. Okay. Now we can see some small corrosion here. You can inspect the connection here. Looks good. The plus connection looks good. Okay. Let's take some measurements. 4 volts, and we don't have anything here. 4 volts, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So we don't have anything here. We need to replace these two cells. Okay, as we need to replace these two cells, yeah, I remember good, I hope so. I will double check it. Yeah, they're showing 0. So basically we need to disconnect them from here, and I think I will disconnect all this, and I will disconnect all this because I have the replacement ones for this one. Joins here, and basically can remove them from here, from the okay, so this is the bad cells, this is the good ones. Okay, now we can remove the bad cells here. Now we can double measure all the cells to make sure that these ones are good. So 4, 4.1, 4. Almost 1. Okay, this one we don't have anything. I have not noticed that. So these ones are dead too. Okay, so are these ones really dead? Yeah. So we have the 4 dead cells. Now let's measure what we have here. That one is rusty, but shows good. Okay, now everything shows good. This one is rusty. I will clean it a little bit. Okay, let's make some welding here. So what we have, if we have the plus here and the plus here, so here goes the minus. We have the plus, we have the plus, it's a minus again. Okay, everything looks nice. So the first weld must be here. Oops, almost shorted it. Okay. And now we need to bend the plate here. And I will press it here a little bit because I want to solder this wire here. Hold it here. Have it in place. Spot welded. Looks good. I will put one weld here, I think. Okay. Now the second one goes here. And just bending it before spot welding. Okay, we have it in place. And again, I'll go the plate in the right direction. Okay, now we have it. Soldering it again. We have the one side, so now we can go to the other side. Of course, the controller not shows anything, and we have two plates here. Okay, we have the plate here. Let's press it and hold it. Again, soldering it. Okay, now we need to repeat the steps with the last one. Have it in place, and I need to push the plate a little bit forward here. Okay, into this one have the spot for the wire. Okay, everything is welded and the battery shows 2 of 3, so now you can try to measure it. On the DC mode, 4.1, 4.1, 3.6, 3.6, 4.4, 3.6, 3.6, 4, 4. Okay, so now it's not fully charged. It can be that we need to balance it with the charger. And now I will assemble it and try to put it to charger to charge it. And of course we will see if our fix is helped. Basically I believe that it helped, but we need to check with the charger. Got it in. Just pressing the back in. Okay, I will tighten the screws to put the back in the charger, test it, but you can see it's, I don't know, easy repair. For you, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments. If you like my videos, push the like button and subscribe, and waiting in my next video. Bye.